Hello guys, so today we are seeing the scalar question picked from both sides. So in this question we have given an array of size n and we have to pick b element either from left and right in of the array and get maximum sum. So let us suppose this is our array. Okay, this is our sample input and we have to select three element either from left or right and we have to find maximum sum. So this question want to tell us we can select either this three element, okay, or we can select this two element and one this element. Either we can select this element and this element. So we have to select only three element, either it from left side or right side, and we have to find maximum sum. We can't select these three element because we have to select either from left end or right end, not skipping any element from left or right end. So how to solve this question? So our array is this, and so in left, what is the possibility of picking left element and right element? Either we can pick only these three element as left side and we will find some, or we can pick these two element from left side and this one element from right side. Okay, or we can pick this element uh, this element from left side and this two element from right side, or we can pick this three element from right side and no element from left side. So how to solve this question? So in this question you can see we will pick starting b element, means here b is 3, so we will pick 3 element and we will find the sum. Okay, we will find the sum. Here we will find sum. First we will find sum of this 3 element. Sum of this 3 element is 5 3 8 minus 2 6, so sum is here 6, and sum of this 3 element will be 5 minus 2 plus 2 will be 5. Sum of these three element will be 8, and sum of these three element will be 3 1 4 2 6, and we have to return the maximum sum. So our approach will be we will find first sum of left element and we will store in the max one variable, let us suppose max. We will store this in the max and we will find the remaining sum of the we will actually eliminate out this option and we will pick from right hand side. Then we will again eliminate left side element, we will pop out left side element and we will push right side element and we will found maximum sum. So what can we do? Here our array is a and b is our size, we have to pick b element. So first we will calculate the size of array, and for int I equal to 0, I less than l, I plus plus, and we will declare one int l, l sum. L sum will be int minimum. So first we will calculate the left side, we will pick the b element from left side and calculate the sum. So L sum will be ai. Okay, and now we will take one max variable and we will put L sum here. Okay, and for popping out this element, like here we will pop out this element in this array, we will pop out 3 and pick 2. We will then pop out this two elements, so our left will be 5 and right will be 1 2. Then we will pop out this element and our right will be 3 1 2. Okay, so we can do this via, we can assign actually 2 pointer for manipulating the array. So here we will assign 2 pointer lptr, let us suppose, and size of lptr will be b minus 1, since there is b element and indexing will be from 0, So at the end our LPTR will be point to this element. Okay, and our RPTR will be at the end. So our RPTR will be RPTR equal to L minus 1th element. Okay, now while LPTR greater than equal to 0, we will do sum L sum and we will subtract this sum. So there are array. Let us suppose this is left side and this is right side. Okay, then we will subtract one element of this array and we will sum one element of from right hand side. Okay, so we will subtract a LPTR element and then we will add a RPTR. L plus equal to a RPTR, and after that we will decrement our left pointer since we are popping out this, and we will also decrement right pointer RPTR, and we will compare if our LSM is less than max, then if our LSM will be greater than max, then we will store max as LSM and we will return at the end max. This will be our result. Let us see. Let us compile this code. Oh, our function return the incorrect value where we did the mistake. We are actually getting error in our answer since we have to sum first B element only, and I here took the L element. So here if I will do B, then I will get correct answer. So yeah guys, this was the solution, and if you like this video, then you can give me thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me. Thanks you.